Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, yesterday we wrote a paragraph on my computer and you were asked to write another paragraph on my laptop. So this is the time to give you the feedback regarding that paragraph. The students, this is the feedback. My laptop. My laptop. I have a laptop. Introductory sentence. It is new. Simple sentence. It is expensive. Another simple sentence. It is gray and black. Sentence with that. And it is big but light. The sentence using but. Its screen is bright. Using its ROM is heavy and strong. Using its with and. It is shiny and beautiful. Moreover, it is decent too. Use of moreover. I like to use it to study. Use of like to. I do not like it to carry. Use of do not like to. I have to cover it. Use of have to. I should put it in its bag. This is use of should. I must protect it from every hazard. Use of must. I like it very much because it is a source of knowledge for me. Closing sentence 1. It is a blessing of Allah for me. Second closing lesson. So dear students, this is enough for today. Write this paragraph if you have not written. Today we will start another work. Take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.